Meaning of hireling.
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 Hireling. Hireling refers to a person who is hired to do a job, especially one that is considered menial or unskilled. This term is often used to describe someone who works solely for monetary gain, without any consideration for the moral or ethical implications of their actions. In essence, a hireling is someone who is willing to sell their services to the highest bidder, without regard for whether the task they are being asked to perform is legal, ethical, or beneficial to society as a whole. Despite this negative connotation, the concept of the hireling has played an important role in many human societies throughout history, particularly in times of war or economic hardship.